Sanga here. I cut up a one-man fight deal. So you got a girlfriend now.
Yeah, you know the chicks. They always. I mean, how can you resist this? Seriously, right?
Hot redhead.
Awesome. I saw she got around me way back, you know. So I knew in NSF she wasn't going to take her long to get her by my side. And seriously, as soon as they said there was going to be a pose down, I mean, come on, take a look at this. Everyone's eyes were on this, as usual, and I'm fine with that. Even without the Central Texas title, I am still money. Money, baby. And NSF knows it. Now, all we got ahead, besides having a night with Miss Molly, is that damn heavyweight title, which will be mine. Hopefully sooner than later. It's up to the brass and NSF. But until then, I'll be mowing everybody down as usual. You know it, they know it. Can you dig it, baby?
I'm not doing that again.
Why not?
How many times have you been on my show? 7, 20, 30, 40? I do this, you do this. You know, you leave me hanging.
All right.
Well, I know we did the handshake and stuff too already a couple of times. Yes. Yes, and you went like this, and you just walked.
Oh, that was classic. That was classic. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The crowd must have loved that one. That was really good. That was really good. Okay, well, you know what? Here we go, Bob.
Fist pump.
Can't screw that up, right? Just give me it all, dude. I can feel it. It's going to be fine. Ready?
Rings?
Cool. Oh, I don't care, dude. I'm made of steel.
All right.
Let's just do it.
Oh! See. Never. Again.